Welcome to our exploration of one of nature's most striking and dangerous phenomena, firenados. These fiery vortices represent a unique intersection of fire and wind, creating spectacular yet terrifying whirlwinds of flame. In this video, we'll dive into the formation of firenados, their differences from fire whirls, historical events, and recent observations, particularly focusing on the notable instances in California. We'll also discuss the challenges they pose to firefighters, advancements in research, and the implications of climate change on this fiery phenomenon. Join us as we unravel the mysteries surrounding firenados and their impact on our environment and safety. 1. Firenados. A fiery phenomenon. Firenados, or fire tornadoes, are not your everyday weather occurrence. They are intense and rare phenomena that occur during wildfires, creating a stunning yet terrifying spectacle. Imagine a tornado, but instead of water droplets and debris, it's filled with swirling flames and burning ash. These fiery vortices can stretch skyward, reaching several hundred meters in height. The winds they generate can rival those of severe tornadoes, making them as dangerous as they are mesmerizing. Their formation depends on specific conditions, and understanding these can help us anticipate their occurrence. 2. How firenados form. The birth of a firenado begins with the immense heat from a wildfire. This heat causes the air above the fire to rise swiftly, creating a powerful updraft. As the hot air rises, cooler air rushes in to take its place. If conditions are just right, this incoming air starts to spin, forming a vertical vortex. When this vortex intersects with the wildfire, it pulls in flames and debris, creating a rotating column of fire. The landscape, wind patterns, and atmospheric conditions all contribute to the formation and strength of firenados, making their development a complex dance of natural forces. 3. Firenados versus fire whirls. Key differences. It's easy to confuse firenados with fire whirls, but they're not quite the same. Fire whirls are smaller, usually just a few meters tall, and form due to localized intense heating and turbulent winds. Firenados, in contrast, are much larger and more powerful. They result from the interplay between large wildfires and atmospheric conditions that encourage significant vertical wind shear. This distinction is crucial for meteorologists and emergency responders as they assess the behavior of wildfires and the potential risks they pose. 4. Historical firenado events. One of the most significant firenado events was during the 2018 car fire in Redding, California. This catastrophic event produced a firenado with wind speeds estimated at 143 miles per hour, equivalent to an EF3 tornado. The destruction it caused was immense, leading to loss of life and property. These historical events provide valuable data for researchers, helping them study the conditions that lead to firenado formation and improve future predictions and safety measures. 5. Recent observations. California, January 2025. In January 2025, Southern California faced a series of devastating wildfires, including the Palisades Fire. The fires were fueled by extremely low humidity, dry conditions, and powerful Santa Ana winds, reaching up to 100 miles per hour. These fires created the perfect conditions for firenados to form, with several reported during the peak of the fires. The presence of firenados complicated firefighting efforts, posing additional hazards to both responders and residents alike. 6. The role of atmospheric conditions. Atmospheric conditions are a critical factor in the development of firenados. Elements like low humidity, high temperatures, and strong winds intensify wildfires, creating environments ripe for firenado formation. Additionally, atmospheric instability can enhance the vertical growth of these fiery vortices, making them more severe. Understanding these atmospheric parameters is crucial for predicting firenado occurrences and implementing effective safety measures. 7. Challenges in firefighting. Firenados present significant challenges to firefighting operations. Their unpredictable nature and intense heat can render traditional firefighting techniques less effective and increase risks for personnel. During the January 2025 wildfires in California, Firenados complicated containment strategies, necessitating adjustments in response tactics to ensure firefighter safety. This highlights the need for continuous evolution in firefighting approaches to tackle these fiery threats. 8. Advancements in Firenado research. Recent research has focused on understanding the dynamics of Firenado formation to improve prediction and response strategies. Studies using satellite and radar data have provided insights into the atmospheric conditions that favor Firenado development. For example, analyses of the 2018 Carr fire have shed light on the specific meteorological factors that led to the formation of a deadly Firenado, aiding in the development of predictive models and enhancing our ability to anticipate these events. 9. Public awareness and safety measures. Raising public awareness about Firenados and their risks is crucial, especially for communities in wildfire-prone areas. Recognizing the signs of potential Firenado formation, such as rapidly increasing fire intensity and swirling smoke columns, can aid in timely evacuations. Emergency services are increasingly incorporating Firenado scenarios into their training and response plans to enhance preparedness and public safety, ensuring communities are better equipped to handle these fiery threats. 10. Climate change and future implications. The increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires, attributed to climate change, suggest a potential rise in Firenado occurrences. Warmer temperatures and prolonged drought conditions create environments more susceptible to large, intense wildfires, thereby increasing the likelihood of Firenado formation. Ongoing research aims to understand these trends and develop strategies to mitigate the associated risks, ensuring a safer future in the face of nature's fiery vortices.